Hi guys, and welcome back to the Sue Crafts. Today I'm back again with a new project share. If you're looking for a very simple and quick birthday gift like DIY thing, then this is a very suitable design for birthday. I have added birthday quotes here which are printed, so you can see here. I'll just give you guys a close view here. Dream big, and a balloon, and it's your birthday, and you can mention the receiver's name here, to whom you want to present, and then a smile. So it's like a birthday theme design. So this is actually a box, and this one looks like that, and then this one measures 5 by 4 inches, and it acts like a belly lock or belly band. It slides like so, and this is how it looks. I have just added printables here, and this is the back of the belly band. I hope it is visible. So very easy to make and very simple design. So it's suitable for birthday, you can see here. And this is our box, which is having a pattern on top, and rest is all plain. I have kept an orange, like subtle orange, and then pink polka here, and it opens like so. It has a simple card here, which is again a accordion kind card, I would say. And this one can hold 10 to 12 photos easily. So this is how it looks first. It is an envelope here. You can have 2 tags or printables or photo pasting tag here. You can add a picture here, like a 2 by 2 inches or 3 by 2.5 by 2.5 inches photo will be great here. You can add a text on this space. You can add some wishes if you want. So this is how it looks, and it opens like so. So it was like that, and then you just pull it down and it opens like so. So this is how it looks. It is very easy to make. Again, if you guys want, I can prepare a tutorial for this one as well, and it will be short and very easy to understand, step-by-step tutorial. So let me know in the comment section down below. I will be making tutorial for this as well, and it can be made using very simple and minimal supplies at home. So this is a gatefold here, and then I have added some text which are printed. Enjoy today. You can add your own printable or your own photos or text you want, and like again 10 to 12 photos and few more printed text, and then photo pasting card here, and it goes back inside. If you want, you can add more pictures here, and then here is a belly band, and it takes a few more tags. You can add some notes for the receiver, like birthday wishes and all here again, and then it's a printed text here, and you can add a picture here. If you have more photos, you can layer them up and slide inside this way. So this is the front, and I'll close it the same way here, and now I'll just flip it up and open like this. So again, at the back it has more room for photos. Here I have just used as like a die cut for the circle window, and then it opens like so. So you have one space for adding wishes, or you can add like a landscape style picture here, and it gets tied like this. So you just have, I have added a hole here, and then I can just tie a ribbon to keep it in place. And this is how it looks. Very easy to make, guys. Let me know if you want to learn and you want to create something for someone's birthday. Very easy to prepare, and you can add a picture here. It is a very small project. And then here one more picture, and then one more picture here, and you can add one more picture, and then name or birthday wishes here. So this is how it looks, and I'm just gonna close it the same way, and this is how it gets closed. So I have kept this one at the top, and this is how it looks from the back here. So this is the simple birthday like a DIY gift kind of thing. If you guys want to learn, let me know. And in case if you guys want to buy any of the projects I have shared on my YouTube channel or Facebook, you may contact me on Instagram or Facebook. Again, you can message there, or you can check the prices for the projects as well. We have posted everything on Instagram and Facebook. Let me know, guys, if you like it. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. Bye.